How to optimize Amazon ads for low and no content books. Tips and tricks to optimize your Amazon ads. I am Somalik, and in this video I will be sharing with you how to optimize Amazon ads for your low and no content books. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video. I love to produce videos on KDP niche research, keyword research, and Amazon ads and things like that. So let's get started. A little side note: before beginning to optimize your ads and use this information, you need to know that this is only based on my personal experience and knowledge, and I am not an expert in Amazon advertising. I am just a beginner, I am just a learner, and I am learning to how to optimize, and I have learned some things to show you. Getting started. Know your break even first. Before running ads for your low and no content books, you should calculate your break even point, the point at which you are neither making a profit nor making a loss. So this is really important to calculate your advertising cost and to know that if you are making a profit or making a loss, or if you are breaking even. You should calculate your break-even point. Later in this video I will show you how to do this, and then we will be optimizing our ad campaigns on it live. So next, let's optimize your ads. Tip number 1: check your CPC to lower your bid. First thing is to lower your bid. Before lowering your bid, you need to know that what is CPC. CPC stands for cost per click, the amount you are paying Amazon for a single click. So to optimize your ad campaign, you should look at your CPC first. You should have a look at your CPC, and then you will be lowering your bid lower than this CPC cost. Next tip would be, let's optimize your ad, and tip number 2 is raise your list price. This is another thing you can consider doing. If your book is priced at 5.99, then you can raise your price to 6.99. If your book is priced at 6.99, then you can raise the book's price to 7.99 or 8.99. A dollar or two doesn't matter. So you can raise the list price for your book so that you are earning more per sale. This will also raise your break even point and your ad set will become profitable. The last thing is, you should optimize your targeting. There will be many keywords that are not bringing you sales but causing you money, and you will be losing money or some keywords on some products or targeting. So you should optimize your targeting. You can add some keywords and products to your negative targeting so that you are not spending money on wrong or non-performing targets. So let's go to Amazon ad dashboard and let's start optimizing and using this knowledge. Firstly, I will show you this. This is a handwriting practice paper book. I am running ads for that. I have spent 2.54 till date and generated one sale, and my list price is 7.49 and ACoS is 33.91%. Impressions are 1857 and order is only one. I need to optimize this ad set or ad campaign to make it profitable, as the ACoS is going toward the higher side. To make this happen, firstly I need to calculate my break-even point. To do that, you should type KDP royalty calculator in Google and this page will appear. Here select paperback, black and white interior with white paper. This is the number of pages. My book has 200 pages and it is on Amazon.com, and the list price is 7.49, and then hit calculate and it will show you the estimated royalty. This is the royalty I am earning per sale, so I will be using this to calculate my break even. To do that, just open up calculator, and I am making $1.24 per sale. The formula for calculating your break-even point is divided by the list price. The list price is 7.49. 0.49 equal and into 100. My A cost should be 16.55 in order to break even. At 16.55 A cost, I am not neither making a profit nor making a loss, but here it is 33.91. It means I am losing much money on this ad campaign. To make this campaign profitable, I should use our next tip, and that is check your CPC to lower your bid. So I need to know my CPC. To do that, I will go to targeting, and here I will see what I am. This is an automatic ad campaign, and you can see these are, I am targeting all these sub targets under automatic ad campaigns: loose match, substitutes, close match, complements. And here you can see my bid, and the bid is 30 cents, and here is my CPC. Average CPC is 0.23, and for loose match is 0.23, for substitute is 0.21, and close match is 0.03, but the average is 0.23. I need to lower my bid, place my bid lower than this. So I will select all these targets, adjust the bid, and here I will select 0.21 or 0.22. 0.21 will be okay, or even I can select 0.20. So save. I can even go lower and set my bid to something like 0.15 as well, to make it even profitable. Or the next thing is, you can see here which is not making you money and spending but not making you money, and you can see here this is not making me any sales and it has already spent $1, so I can simply turn this off. This is the second tip, and you can wait to spend $1 and then you can turn off these targets. This is our second tip. I have lowered my bid, I have turned off this target substitute because it is not making me money. So our next tip is to raise our list price. The list price is $7.49. I am making $1.24. If I raise my list price to $8.49, and I will be making $1.84 per sale. So now let's calculate our previous break-even point was 16.55. Now calculate our break-even with the list price of 8.49. So I am earning $1.84 divided by 8.49. okay, my break-even point will raise to 0.21 or 0.22. so this will make my book or make my ad profitable. I will be making more revenue per sale by just adjusting my list price. This is the second tip. The third tip is, just go to your search terms here, and here you will see the different keywords that are not. Just go to columns, and if you are not seeing any column, just go to column, and here you can select again columns, and you can check the clicks, impressions, things like that. So here I will click on the spend in descending order, and here I will note any keyword that is spending money but not making me sales. Just click on the last 65 days, and here I will note any keyword or targeting that is not making me money. For example, this ASIN has spent $1.07 and it hasn't generated any sale. I will just simply copy this ASIN, copy, and then I will go to negative targeting, and here I will select negative products and add negative products, and here I will enter list, paste it here, and then exclude and add negative products, paste here and add as negative product targets, so it will appear here. Okay, this is the first thing. You can also do the same with the any keyword or search phrase. For example, I will look at the search phrase that has spent $1, at least $1, and not making any sales. Let's suppose this keywords has spent $1 and it hasn't generated me any sale. I will just simply copy this and go to negative targeting, go to this keyword targeting, add negative keywords, and here I will paste the keyword and then hit add keyword and then hit save here. In this way, this will go into my negative targeting here. Okay, and in this way I will be optimizing my ad campaign. So these are the tips. The first is to know your break-even point. The second is to know your CPC and lower your bid from your CPC. And the secondly, if you are running an automatic ad campaign, you can click see these targets and turn off any target that hasn't generated any sale and has spent over $1. The third thing, you can also look at the click-through rate. Just go to search terms and here go to columns and up to customize column and check this box that is click-through rate and hit apply, and then you will see the click-through rate here, CTR, and you can sort it by in descending order, descending order, and you can note any keyword with that has lower than 0.5 click-through rate. I can't see any keyword lower than this. Then you can simply copy the keyword that has very least click-through rate, and then you can go to add it into negative targeting as well. So these are the tips and tricks I know to optimize my ad campaigns. I hope you will love this. And just recap: know your break-even first, check your CPC to lower your bid, raise your list price, and optimize your targeting. And lastly, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Soham Malik. See you in the next video.